Okay, look. I know it's difficult, but I need you to trust me, all right? Why would you have called me in if you didn't trust that I could do my job? Exactly. Now look, I've already got 3 of the ghosts caught in this containment unit. There is 1 more, and then we can all relax. Hey, I have never left a haunted house still haunted before, okay? No, sir. I'm good at my job. Now, come with me. Or stay here as you please. No, I didn't think so. Now, stay close to me, please. Watch every shadow. I think we have it holed up in one of the bedrooms upstairs. Yes, according to the ethereal readings, there is a disturbance up on the 1st floor. We will follow it up. You need to do nothing more than keep your eyes open for anything else that's moving when it shouldn't be. Okay. Now, stay low for me. Yes, stay low. I'm just going to get the containment unit ready. Okay. I'm coming to get you, you ethereal little monster. You haunting this house? Oh no, not on my watch. Right, ready? Ready? There it is. Do you see? Shh. No, there. Up by the ceiling. It's playing with the light fixtures. That's why the lights are flickering. Okay, look, just get behind me, okay? I'm gonna fire the capture beam in 3, 2, 1. Oh god, this is a strong one. Oh my god. Okay. No, oh god. Come on. You try and get away from me, you little bastard. No, you don't. Come on. I've called all your brothers and sisters. You're going in the containment unit as well. And then I'm going to take you to the facility to be tested on. That's right. That's what we do with haunting ghosts. Oh my god, I've nearly got it. I've got it. Oh no, it's slipping. It's going to get away. Sir, look at me. You need to run, okay? No, you need to run right. Oh goodness. It's been longer than I care to count since I had any need to breathe. Is this what flesh feels like? This is incredible. I did it. I made it work. Excuse me, sir. What is the year? No, I am quite serious. Please, what year is this? And you speak no falsehood. I have been trapped here for more than 500 years. And now I have a body. What are you talking about? The hunter? Oh. Do you mean the fine specimen whose body I now inhabit? Oh, she's still here. But, well, she's taking more of a back seat for now.